There is no, it's like speaking Spanish to an English speaking person.
Improper personas or jurors or heritage of the land.
Ma'am, I said state your name. I didn't.
I will state for this X-rail.
Ma'am, listen, let me say this to you.
This trade name.
If I didn't think someone had jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not even get out of my bed. I don't really care what you believe.
Judge Bryant completely destroys this rude sovereign citizen. By the end, this person is acting all meek and holding her breath like she's about to cry. Honestly, this is insanely satisfying to watch. No joke. This is easily one of the top 3 sovereign citizen videos I've ever covered. Judge Bryant goes absolutely ballistic, and watching someone think they can get away with this nonsense in court? Pure chaos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as we dive in and watch this sovereign citizen get totally humiliated live in court.
All right. Okay, this is case number 07. No, strike that. I apologize. That's not case number. This is case number 174612601. The people of the state of Michigan versus Bonita Ayana Sealy. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. And today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Ritter on behalf of the people, P number 8350505.
All right, ma'am, please unmute yourself. State your name for the record, please.
Islam. I self-law am master. Improper personas or jurors or heritage of the land.
Ma'am, I said state your name. I didn't.
I will state for this X-rail. This
ma'am, listen, let me say this to you.
This trade name.
If you did not come to court, if you didn't come to court to participate in court, please don't come back to my courtroom. So I've muted you, so therefore we can't even hear what you're saying. So let me be clear. If you have not come to court, because let me just be clear. Okay, well, you have a great day. Have a great day. If I didn't think someone had jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not even get out of my bed. I promise you. Let me say this. If a person did not have jurisdiction over me, if I believed that a person, that an entity did not have jurisdiction over me, I promise you, I would not get up out of my bed. I would not take a time off of work. I would not stop anything that I was doing for that day to come to court to say these things. Number one, you know it's going to get you nowhere. There is no, it's like speaking Spanish to an English speaking person.
If you guys enjoy content like this, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's jump back into the video.
And then telling them they don't have jurisdiction over me. If they let me go home, I promise you, if I didn't think they had jurisdiction over me, I'm not showing up. So, okay. So we can try this one more time. If you want to state your name for the record so that we can have the name for the record, then you can state your name for the record. If you're going to say all of that other stuff to me that I don't have jurisdiction, then I'm gonna subside, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to another case. I am going to remove you from the courtroom because this is going to get us nowhere. Nowhere. Now, by the time you've said all of this, by the time you've done all of this, this is a 2017 case. We probably would be finished with the case by now. Probably would be. Probably would be. Of course, I'm not going to give legal advice. I'm not going to say what she should do and how she should respond. Probably would be finished with this case by now. Okay, ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Wow. Judge Bryant is officially my new favorite judge. Yeah, we've seen legends like Judge Oakley and Judge Middleton, but she just straight up took the crown here. The way she controlled the courtroom was rare. So many sovereign citizens think they can just ramble nonsense and get away with it, almost like it's a TED Talk. Most judges just let it slide, maybe out of fear or caution. But Judge Bryant? No hesitation, no sugarcoating, just pure authority. If courtrooms had Yelp reviews, she'd get 5 stars, no question.
Bonita Ayana Davis Seeley.
Thank you, Miss Seeley. Today is the date set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
Innocent.
The court is going to enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Miss Seeley. I will set this matter for a pretrial conference. This is a child abuse 4th degree case. Strike that. Again, I keep looking down at your client, looking up at your client's case. This is an assault or assault and battery case. The court is going to set the matter for a pretrial conference. The complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed. Probably could have already been dismissed. I don't know if you have contact with the complaining witness or not, Miss Ritter. However, the complaining witness is required to appear at the pretrial conference. Today is December the 6th. The court is going to set the matter for January the 6th. At 8:35. I'm sorry, 8:25. That denotes the arraignment portion. 8:25. As I indicated, the complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation for the failure to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further?
Nothing from the people, Judge. Thank you.
Anything further, Ms. Seeley?
Well, I would like to say something, but I see that I'ma just keep my peace. I'll see you guys on the 6th of January.
All right, then you have a great day and stay safe.
You too.
Thank you.
This sovereign citizen is a perfect example of someone who clearly never learned respect or responsibility. Seriously, she's probably in her mid-50s, and yet she's acting like a 12-year-old trying to get out of trouble with some script she found online. Maybe she grew up with overly relaxed parents or no father figure, but either way, it's painfully obvious she doesn't understand basic legal principles. She thought she could pull this sovereign citizen nonsense and get away with it. And her reaction after Judge Bryant shut her down? Total acknowledgement that she knew what she was doing was wrong. You can't pick and choose laws because of something you read online. The legal system doesn't work that way. Honestly, sovereign citizens have been trying for decades, and every single time, courts shut them down. No victories, just embarrassment. Let me know what you think. Was Judge Bryant too harsh, or did she handle it perfectly?